All right, I'm going to start by demonstrating this fantastic new product, Zonal OCR, by opening this property management PDF. And you can see that this form has their fields are filled out, the owner, the manager's name, the city of Gilbert, Arizona. There's a barcode here with information in it, so you can see this is here. And I'm going to close this and come back to it in a second. I'm now going to show you e-file cabinet. So here's e-file cabinet. One of the cabinets I have is property management. I've also made it one of my cabinets so that it will be by itself easier to see. Now notice each of these drawers here represent different locations and different properties. Now Gilbert, Arizona doesn't exist yet. This is a new piece of property. You do not see it here. But the Zonal OCR will process that, will create a drawer, will create a folder that I've set up ahead of time automatically and put the document in there. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to bring in Zonal OCR right now. Okay, and I'm just going to use the add file button, and this opens a window into the computer I'm sitting on. There's the property management document. I open it. Now it is inside Zonal OCR. And the next thing I'm going to do is simply process this. Now I could have brought multiple forms in. They could be different forms. I could process all of them, and Zonal OCR is intelligent enough to move the correct documents to the correct locations. But I just have this one right here. And so I'm going to let this process. It's going to bring it in. Now what it's going to do, it's going to compare that document and make sure it's the right form to the template. It's also going to look and make sure that the fields are correct. And you can see here as it's come up, you can see here's the information. It's pulled off of that, and this is the fields. You can see the dates here, all the information that was pulled off at a 97% confidence level. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this, and this now has been saved successfully. So let's move this over and take a peek inside e-file cabinet really quick. Notice that the Gilbert drawer does not exist yet. Let me refresh and you'll see it should pop up. There it is, Gilbert Properties. There's the folder that it created. The document now is stored automatically inside e-file cabinet, and there is the profile information. Agent, Kylene Smith Real Estate. It read also the barcode. So it's smart enough to read bar tools and actually populate information in the profiles if you desire to do that. Now, as you look in some of the other drawers here, you know there's additional folders. So I can simply right click on this and apply a template for the property management template and then hit apply. And now you can see Gilbert Property has all the folders it needs and has that one document in there. Now, if I were to bring that document in again or another one for this Gilbert Properties, it will not create a new drawer or a new folder. It will recognize those already exist and then simply bring the document in.